Hello guys, welcome to Programmer Course. This is my second Laravel tutorial in Laravel series. So in this tutorial I will show you the file structure of Laravel. So let's have a look. Let's open our project that we have already installed in the previous tutorial. So this is our project, and here we look in the main files of the Laravel project. Here we have app, bootstrap, config, databases, public, resources, roots, and storage, and test, and vendors. These are the folders, and then we have files with env name, htss, and all the other files, index files. So let's explore app folder. In this folder, we have models, http, console, and all the things. So first we have console. In there we have a kernel file. If we will explore the http file folder, in this folder we have controllers and middlewares. In controller files we have controller. Controllers are the files through which we can control our project. We will talk about later. Middlewares are the middle checks, or they are just like the authentications. So, and here we have our kernel file. So these are providers. Here we have auth service providers and all the service providers. These are the third party service providers we have that we have added to our Laravel project, and so on. Then we have bootstrap folder. There we cache and app folder file. Then we have a config folder, and we have the config files like app, auth, and cache, and all the files we have here. So then we go to our database folder. In this folder we have seeds and migrations that we when we make the tables and migrate them to the Laravel project. These are all the migrations are stored there. In public folder we have our front end resources like assets. We call them assets. We have there we have to store there our images, our CSS files, JS files, jQuery files, whatever the front end files we have to include, the designing files we have to include there. So in resource folder we have all our views, like our front end theme that we include in our Laravel project, all stored here in resources and view folder. Okay, in root folders we have all the routes, like these are the navigations through our websites. Every link we apply to our website go through the routes. Then we have storage folders. Here we have app, framework, and logs. Then we have test folder. Here we have features, unit, and test case, and creates applications, all the folders. Then we have a vendor. In this vendor folder, we have all the third parties, vendors, and other whatever we use in our Laravel project. So here we come the files, env files, en example files, and gitcon files, htss files, index files, webpack, and all the files are here. We can discuss these files and their working later. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.